Every new design starts by setting the size of the room. It is important to know from the start the room height, to be able to design a custom furniture that goes up to the ceiling so there are no empty spaces very difficult to clean. Settings, preferences, wall height, choose the measurement unit you need, meters, feet, inches, etc. The walls can be drawn piece by piece, draw straight walls, or you can draw the entire room at once, draw room. Every wall's dimension can be modified by placing the mouse on the adjacent wall and simply write the size in the white box. If there is an additional room, in this case a pantry, it can be drawn separately from the main room, in this case the kitchen. Doors and windows can be adjusted in size at any time. If a window is the correct size, it can be duplicated and used again in the same design, or simply adjust the size if it is the right window design. Doors can be opened and closed to see the perspective as you enter the room. It can be useful for furniture design. You can change window style, color, material, and also for the window opening. I chose a style just like the original windows of the house, as these will not be changed by the owner. I changed the size of the windows a bit later in the project as the owner sent me the correct size. It is also very important to set the window height from the beginning so you can design the furniture coming directly under it.